Now, a late-night announcement in the form of a Christmas gift to the nation. Prime Minister Modi announced a series of moves to boost India's fight against the Omicron super mutant threat. Here's all that you need to know about booster shots that will be coming soon, along with vaccine for kids.
Mega boost to fight against Omicron. With super mutant cases continuously peaking, Prime Minister Modi says enough is enough.
2022
Prime Minister announces boosters and vaccines for kids in Christmas address to the nation. Frontline workers to get booster shots from 10th of January. Comorbids above 60 to be jabbed in first phase of booster drive.
8 वर्ष से ऊपर की आयु के कोमॉर्बिडिटी वाले नागरिकों को उनके डॉक्टर की सलाह पर वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज का विकल्प उनके लिए उपलब्ध होगा। ये भी 10 जनवरी से प्रारंभ होगा।
Prime Minister's booster rollout silences the long-standing demand for booster shots to combat the super mutant variant.
Giving booster doses to people who are vulnerable. Because again, I think it's very well thought out that it's only the elderly who really are at risk in terms of the Omicron virus. And I think giving them an extra shot is always going to help.
Prime Minister also announced vaccination for kids between 15 and 18 years of age from Jan 3rd.
15 साल से 18 साल की आयु के बीच के जो बच्चे हैं, अब उनके लिए देश में वैक्सीनेशन प्रारंभ होगा। 2022 में 3 जनवरी को सोमवार के दिन से इसकी शुरुआत की जाएगी।
This announcement comes moments after DCGI approved emergency use of Covaxin for children, a 2-dose jab.
The best Christmas present we could expect, because we have been actually concerned about the children being unprotected. And the fact that this data that was presented or approved by the scientific committee some weeks ago was with DCGI, who's taken its time to really study the data and put it through the rigors of scientific evaluation. And now that it has been approved for emergency use, which is the normal way of doing it, like it happened for the adults also, it's a big relief.
India will also roll out nasal and DNA vaccines soon.
हमारे देश में जल्दी ही नेजल वैक्सीन और दुनिया की पहली डीएनए वैक्सीन भी शुरू होगी।
From increased number of beds to ample supply of oxygen, the country is on a war footing to tackle the surge.
भारत ने अपनी स्थिति परिस्थिति के अनुसार भारत के वैज्ञानिकों के सुझाव पर ही अपने निर्णय लिए हैं। भारत के वैज्ञानिक भी इस पर पूरी बारीकी से नजर रखे हुए हैं, इस पर काम कर रहे हैं।
The new year will begin with a bang, with the Prime Minister declaring an all-out war against the Omicron surge.
Who will get which booster? Will the double co-vaccinated have to take Covaxin, or whether Covaxin takers will go for Covishield? How much amount of dose will the precautionary dose be? And whether it will be free for those above the age of 60 with comorbidities? These are some of the questions that will require clarity before the big rollout begins in January 2022. Milan Sharma for India Today.